Hello again, Year 3. So this is your final origami challenge for your DT task this week. Hopefully you've already had a go at challenge 1, which was the cat, quite simple to make hopefully, and challenge 2, which was the pig, a little bit trickier. We're now on to the frog hopper challenge, which is a little bit trickier again still. So the printout that you should have in your home learning pack will really help you with this one. I'll show you what instructions we're working from. So it should look like this. And then the printout is right at the bottom. But like a lot of origami, it's hard when you're working from written instructions. It's a bit easier to see it on the video. So the very first thing you need to do with your printout is just to cut out around that line. So you go ahead and do that, pause the video and meet me back here for the next step. So once you've got that cut out, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have it the right way up. And step 1 shows that as you're looking at it, the frog's legs should be on your right hand side. Okay. And then you're going to flip it over so that you can't see, so you've got the blank side in front of you. You're going to take the top right hand corner and fold that down to the bottom line so that this bottom right hand corner comes to a complete point. And you want to make a crease there, a really good strong crease. And then you're going to fold that back. And you're going to do the same with the opposite right hand corner. So the bottom right hand corner, you're going to fold it up so that it meets the top line and comes to a point at this top right hand corner. And again, make a really good crease in that. And then unfold it again. Now, you then need to turn it over and you need to turn it round because now the frog's legs need to be on the left hand side view. And you're going to fold this side over where there is a line on the piece of paper. So this line here, you're going to fold it. You can use a ruler if that helps. You can hold a ruler against that line and fold it up and over. Sometimes that helps to get a straighter line. And give that, again, a really strong crease. Really push it down. Okay. Now, you're then going to turn it over again so that the plain side is facing you. And this part is probably the most tricky part. You need to fold in these corners here, or not corners, sorry, these edges here. So they will bend up, and as you do that, you will see this part becoming more like a triangular shape. Okay, so these parts meet, and then if you press gently down on there, you should have a shape that looks like that with the mouth part there. Okay, feel free to pause the video and rewind that if that bit is a bit trickier for you. When you look at it that side on, that's the kind of shape you should have. Okay, so when you've got that, you should have the pointy part with the mouth should be at the right hand side. And you're now going to fold in these corner parts here. And you're going to fold it, I hold it up to show you, you're going to fold it so that it folds down into a triangle. It's a little bit wonky. I'll just do that again on the table. It's a bit hard to do origami in the air. And you're going to do the same with the other corner. Okay, so I'll just show you that bit. So I folded this one down to here and this one up to here, so you can no longer see the mouth, but you can see these lines here. Okay, and that was step 8, for those of you that are following the instructions on paper as well. Okay, that was probably the hardest bit. So this bit is a bit easier. You're now going to fold down the top part up to the middle, and there's actually a nice dotted line there that shows you that you're folding it in the right place. So you're going to do that side, and then you're going to do the same, exactly the same with the opposite side. Again, there's a dotted line to help you find the line. You're then going to fold this part up so that you can see the frog's legs facing you, but you're not going to fold it so that it completely covers that corner. You're going to just bring it down a bit to about there, and then make a really good crease along the edge. Okay. You then need to fold these legs back over, and you fold it where this line is here. So again, you can use a ruler to help you. You can put the ruler against the line and then fold that over. And when you turn it over, just correcting mine a little bit because my fold wasn't quite on the dotted line. So it's a really good guide. If your folds are along the dotted line, then you're doing it correctly. So when you turn it over, you should be able to see that yours looks like a frog. And when you tap the back, you can have your hopping frog. One last bit, just to make it even more frog-like, you can cut that corner snout round, because frogs don't have pointy noses. So you can make it a bit rounder. And then of course you can colour it in, whichever colour you would like your frog to be. You can decorate that, you can give it funny coloured spots. It's completely up to you. And then just have a play around with your frog hopper. So well done if you've got that one done, and well done if you have done all 3 of your origami challenges this week. I can't wait to see some of what you've done later in the week. Bye.